knows tomorrow? Don't be carried away. Be careful what you do. Careful what you do. Life is short. Truly good friends is hard to
Babe,
find.
I need to go check on those items, okay?
Okay.
I'll be back in a minute.
Alright, babe.
You sure you'll be fine?
Yeah, sure. I will. Just hurry up.
Okay. I'll be back.
Truly great friends is hard to find. Yeah. My name is Mugway. Too much of everything is bad. My name is Mugway. If I win, I'm worry. But you can't walk out not joking.
Again?
Good day.
What is good about the day, young man? And they beat fast.
Did they run?
They run fast. Where is Sandra?
Speak up. Where's my sister?
She went to the restaurant to buy food.
Babes, check her now. After food, na chop. Something done good nah. Something don't happen nah. They come the hedge. She went to get food. Check her now. Use your head. Something don't go down.
Oh, really? Listen to me. Listen to me and listen good. I don't joke with my sister Sandra. If you ever in your life bring that thing in between your leg close to my sister, take a good look at me. I'll kill you.
Babes. Why the romance words now? Tell this guy as they be now. Tell her straight up. Listen, guy, look me. See, we no normal. Hey, this is why they perch around Sandra like mosquito. We see O positive blood. We go kill you. Black bra and the courts where we belong. They fear us. We dey like high tension transformer. Nobody they come close. We go finish. We go just kill. We go kill it through away. You understand? Hey, babe.
You heard her, right?
I pity you.
You know I'm a very nice person. I don't scream. But when I intend to do something drastic to somebody, I never look back. Now I'm going to warn you for the last time. I do not want to see you anywhere around my sister. Have I made myself clear? Else, bros, I will shook you. You hear me? I will stab you. I will shook your spinal cord, your esophagus, your intestine. I will shook you.
You hear what I talk? Not be only you. Not be only you. Hey, we be cultists, we know the play. We go end your journey. We go kill your mama, kill your papa, kill your brothers, your sisters, all the fowls, all the goats, all the dogs, both living and non-living things. Anything we dey your compound, your generation, we go finish up. We go wipe out, we go do sanitization.
Including the fly that will perch on you, I mean your dead body. I will kill.
Please. I don't have anything with Sandra. We're just friends and classmates. We study together. We do assignments together.
Wow. Classmates?
They do everything together.
Classmates and a friend. Get out of my house.
Run along. Get away. Foolish boy. That's a man. They say, you know, even people that's assignment.
Babe, you know the one with the pain say she won't even. She won't carry man. You know, see all those ones where get those black fine honky men where they cut eye for you like this. You go not say man don't land. Now this one, we be like overripe pop. If you slap am now, you go turn red.
And you know, say normally, fair guys know the two get sense.
You know now.
You know because this one get sense. If you not come here, come and find your sister. You go all those cheap hotel, carry your sister, go all those cheap hotel, like 2K hotel, 5K hotel. They even give the 1,000. They get what short time. Carry your sister, go there. They come house. They come for your house.
If you normal.
The guy no get sense.
No, you normal.
I go they suggest make you carry my sister go hotel, even hotel where they talk na 2K. So my sister be like 2K hotel get for your eye.
Now why you
Which
say
kind
we don't get sense?
Of course you get sense.
I be Curtis too. You don't forget.
See Curtis.
Curtis.
I see you where you open mouth. Which Curtis?
I be Curtis.
It is another nonsense where you put fear for that guy, but you.
That time I say black bra.
So for your mind now.
I'll call them
For your mind now, you not Curtis. Kimugu. They do.
See they tremble. Oh, assignment. Maybe for that assignment.
Curtis, when you get gone, that one a Curtis. My sister.
That way, anytime we see your sister in thing go for. You go do like this.
You be mad,
You go do like this.
Black bra.
Nothing come out.
Now maybe Capon, you be assistant.
You dey crazy. Maybe Capon.
Wait, what that you
Get
Capon?
out.
You get
out.
mad.
You don't get my good egg.
I go shoot
Waiting
you.
be this. Just
Look, Jojo, they're just trying to bully you, that's all.
Cultists don't just bully you. They mean every single word they tell you.
For crying out loud, my sister and her friends are not cultists. They're not. They're only trying to separate us because they know that I am lying to them that we're just friends.
Sandra, I am scared. See, it's just our first year in school. Why are you even talking about we being boyfriend and girlfriend? Eh? Your sister is very toxic. Please, let's just be friends.
Look, I know it's because you're eyeing Susan, my friend. That's why you want us to just be friends.
No. Why would I be eyeing your friend? I'm not. Please, let's just be friends.
Everything in this life is not about smartness. Retrieve your way. You cannot run faster than your shadow. Some steps we make at times end in regret.
Check done. Babe, are you okay?
Yes, babe, I am fine.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
I know you're thinking about Sandra. Okay, the sudden disappearance of Sandra, I can't wrap my head around it. Are you sure you're alright?
Babe, come on. You have asked me the same question for like 250 times now. Yes, I am fine. Can we just be quiet, please?
In this world, and your name is the way nobody knows tomorrow. Echebuga, Nenua, and your name is your name, you let the way Echebuga. Everything in this life is not about smartness.
Ebere is enjoying her marriage and I'm here suffering for what she cost me. Yes, she cost me this pain and agony. And she has the nerves to come to my face and tell me she is pregnant again. That her home is the most peaceful. Her husband is taking her and the kids abroad. Oh, what a nerve. She just ignited the fire of hatred in me. Ebere, I will wipe off your happiness. I will make you suffer. I can't be suffering and you're happy and indirectly mocking me for what you cost me. Yes, I will not take it anymore. It is time to pay back. You will see the dark side of a woman that has no womb.
Retrieve your way. Echebuga, Echebuka, you cannot run faster than your shadow. Echebuka, Ebuka, Echebuka, you cannot run faster.
So you are here? Eh? You are here, Linda, or whatever they call you. Instead of being in the room with your husband making babies. What are you doing here? Linda, tell me, what exactly are you doing here? Oh, you are even wearing makeup. You've not even taken your bed for the night. That shows you're not interested in having a child. Yes! It is obvious you don't want to give me grandchildren. Look at you here. Tell me exactly what you're doing here. Eh? Okay. Don't worry yourself. I know exactly who you are. Yes, I have seen it all over you. I've forgotten me. Look at Mama. Eh? So Maderia, don't tell me anything. I don't want to hear anything from you. I will go to the village. And by the time I come back, I will show you exactly who I am. Mama. What is it?
This is my house. I want to have peace. Allow me to have peace in my house. I actually came out here to have a quiet time.
Okay. Quiet time with who? Quiet time with the queen of your coven? Or who? Tell me. Tell me. Oh, you are having a quiet time with the devil himself. You see? Exactly what I'm talking about. It's obvious you have eaten up all your children. Look at you. You are having a quiet time. Tell me! Quiet time with who? I'm talking to you. Continue to have a quiet time. Quiet time.
I don't have time for this. I think I'll just leave this house for this woman.
I would have killed you if I wasn't the one who forced myself to take those pills.
Please, I'm sorry. What do you want? Tell me, what do you want?
Why are you getting set to get married to my best friend, Jojo? Why? Why are you hurting me so bad? Why? What did I do to you?
You did not do anything to me. See, it wasn't intentional. It just happened. We just fell in love.
Shut up! I'll kill her. You're not getting married to her, Jojo. No! You're not!
Stop, please! Stop, baby! Stop! Stop, please! I'm begging you! Stop! Sandra, please stop! Baby! Ah!
Babe, are you okay?
Baby, are you alright? Are you fine?
What? I'm fine. What? Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. I just had a dream.
Oh God, no. What is happening? You haven't been sleeping good lately and you look as if someone is tormenting you. What is the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine. I told you it was just a dream.
Babe, you said nothing.
Let's go back to sleep, okay?
What is the dream about?
Come here.
You cannot eat your cake and have it again. One more. The best year. This is all your fault.
She refused though.
Just like that?
She refused. The moment I mentioned your name like this, Fiam, she flared up.
No, now, Choma, it cannot happen. Why would you do that?
I even heard she wants to get married to one abroad man like that is very rich. And the king is planning to adopt her boys and make them princes.
Never! Over my dead body, would someone claim what belongs to me? My children, my twins? No, now, it will not happen.
Okay, that's all.
No, so just because I don't have money, that someone, my own fellow man, wants to take away what rightfully belongs to me.
My friend, go and make money. Go and make money. Akugo is no longer your class, and you know it. Don't stay and be doing... Go and make money.
Listen, Choma, let me just die. But yeah, before I would die, I have to go to Igwe's palace and tell him that those twins belong to me. I named them Obina and Akana. That's the name I gave them.
I named them Obina and Akana. My friend, go and make money. Go and make money. I've said my own as a friend though. It's not this one you're doing now. Nobody will listen to you. Go and make money.
Hey, see, Ochichoma, I will not over my dead body. I want my twins back. I want Akugo back. And if any man tries to marry them, I'll kill that man over my dead body. I will not even look over my shoulder. I'm going to Igwe. It will not happen. Over my dead body. Make money, yo.
Greetings, man.
Chekube, I guess.
Yes, I'm Chekube.
Oh, Chekube, you are the one that got that girl pregnant, who was supposed to be my wife's son and ran away, isn't it?
Hey, Nine. Thank God you remembered. That was one that impregnated Akugo. Hey, before I went for sabbatical and not ran away. You see, Nine, I am sure, very, very sure that that pregnancy entered the first time I did it with her in your backyard and your wife's bedroom. Yes, as I released inside her like this, boah, I knew within myself that will produce twins. Straight!
And you did that even in my wife's bedroom.
Nine, inside your toilet, kitchen, in fact, we'll scatter everywhere each time you go out. Thank God you are my witness that those boys are my blood. Just come and tell the king that they should release my children for me.
Oh. Anyway, that's a good one. It calls for celebration.
Nice.
Because
thank you.
You are a sharpshooter from the way it is.
Nice.
In those days when I was a boy, I used to be like you.
Nice.
Give me one, sir. That's all.
Nice.
Let me go and get you cola nut. Just wait. It calls for celebration.
Yeah, nah, but that's what you would have done. And secondly, sir, you will follow me to the palace and tell the kings that those twins are mine. I cannot allow them to take away my children.
That's not a problem at all.
Thank you, Nai.
You are a sharpshooter.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, I'm coming.
Is it easy to have children? Or they just want to oppress me because I don't have anything, because I don't have money? But they want to oppress me.
A sharpshooter. Come here and come and do sharpshooting again. In my bedroom, toilet, everywhere. Nonsense. Come and do it again. Hey, that is a girl my wife trusted.
Let's go,
Hey, Mama! How are you? Oh, yeah, go and say hi to Auntie. How are you? Madam, welcome. Thank you. Sorry. Oh. You may go and give him some food. Take him inside. I stop crying. Your big auntie is here. Where are you? Okay. What did you do to this boy? Madam, sorry. I'll give you a food. Come. Sorry. Hey, come, let's go. Take them inside, please, eh? Sorry. Feed them properly, oh. Okay, madam. Baba, sorry. Oh, I'm sure he's crying because I stayed out too late. My darling, please, have a set. What do I offer you? Am I a visitor in this house? Anyway, I beg, this gist when you give me as we come forward. You mean your mother-in-law is still on your neck?
My dear, I'm done talking about that woman. Please.
Oh, some kind mothers say. Anyway, the more the merrier. Makes it better for us. Meaning I'm going to join you in the lists.
What list?
Did I not tell you that my husband is taking the kids and I to Dubai?
Oh, yes, you mentioned that.
Yes, but the thing is, he got a contract recently, so he won't be going with us anymore. So, his brother is actually taking us. We'll be there for a week or two.
Oh, but he's not going with you people?
No, he's staying back. That's the way get contract. What do they go find for Dubai?
My dear, I don't want to disturb your trip. Go and have fun. Let me stay in this your peaceful home and enjoy it.
Okay, oh. Who I be to argue with you? You know, say you know my madam. Now, what till you talk be the final say. No, Allah, if you want to stay here, it's fine. It's okay. But I would really love for you to go with us. It's gonna be fun.
No, I'm going to have fun here.
So you want to be bored alone for 2? Not come they call my phone to make I come back.
I will not be bored. I mean, you have a very beautiful and peaceful home. I'm going to enjoy it.
All right. Yes. Go see Wahala.
she would have ended you since. It's just because you did not support her for the abortion.
Honestly, I did not support her to take the pills for the abortion. See, she has been tormenting my sleep. She has been disturbing me. I need to find a solution to this problem. Please help me.
Yes, she's angry with you because you are sleeping with her best friend. Only one thing you must do to stop her from tormenting you.
Prophet, please tell me, what is that thing that I must do? Because this whole problem is killing me. I need to get out of this problem. Tell me, anything you tell me, I'm going to do it.
You must go dig out a corpse from the ground. Return her to her people. Tell them everything that happened to you and her. That will be the end of your problem.
Prophet, you don't understand. Her people are going to kill me. That is the reason I ran out of the state where I was staying before now. I'm running for my life. Her elder sister is going to destroy me.
That is the only way to that which you seek for. You must do it for you to be free.
But you never told me you have an issue with your wife. Why did you keep all that away from me?
My brother, I thought I would have handled it myself. But I've seen it now. It's fine. She's in your place, right?
Yeah, she's in my house. Where else is she going to be if not my house?
But I thought your family traveled to Dubai.
Yeah, this morning. I went to drop them off at the airport. You don't need to bottle up issue like this. We are pals, real G's. You ought to open up to me. I noticed things was not right when she frowned at the mentioning of your name. She only told my wife that she came to spend some time.
My brother, please, I would want you to help me talk to her, okay? I want her to come back.
I will talk to her. But next time, try and open up to your friend.
It's fine, thank you.
She'll come back.
Thank you.
It's fine.
It's not even a normal pan that can cover all the nash. It's that kind of a pan that I'm over. You need to drag it out to remove it if it hangs in between the layers. But well, okay, I don't just want to believe this. How can you be a husband and you don't know the properties and the belongings of your wife? Because if you are the husband, you should know everything, especially the one that goes below, that your wife used to cover all her power bank. This is not me now. With the way I walk around the house, I cannot wear this kind of thing. If not, it would distract me from paying attention to my house chores. Because I will be working with one hand and using the other hand to be dragging it to adjust it. But if this pan does not belong to my madam, how did this pan get into Uka's bedroom? Not even corridor or sitting room, but bedroom. This pan, I just want to believe you are not on a mission. No, there is no problem at all. Since this pan does not belong to me, no madam, and I know Uka is not a unisex that will say he wears this too. It is better I go and throw it away because I am not into Jao that I will say let me use it for money investment. Samuel Peter Framvi ikamaro da ikambati sa mianganika twine twine. I hope they did not use it to do twine, twine, twine.
She is determined to destroy.
You sent for me. Sorry, I was busy inside. I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. But you can go and continue with what you're doing. We'll talk about it later.
No, not to worry. I'm fine. I'm okay.
All right. Your husband wants you to come back home. Tell him that the best way to settle issue like this is to face it. Kirian loves you.
And I love you too.
You have to go back to your husband.
I know. I will go back to my husband. But I don't want to talk about him now. Let us talk about, or rather do something more important. You know? Oh, he wants it from the back. I'm ready.
I'm done with you.
Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night. Like, I'm going to sleep. Like, I'm going to my room to sleep.
She is determined to destroy. She is determined to destroy. Can't you forgive her?
Make. That means, Juliana, you have sinned. You have sinned. You have sinned. In fact, with what I have sinned, my eyes have seen what saw what. So all this while, Madam Girlfriend was looking for a way for my Uga to neck her, indirectly calling my Uga a carpenter. That's all he does is neck. Women does not have shame again. Oh, they are shame. They have sold all their shame on TikTok. It's okay, but it does not remain. There's no leftover. Yulana, you are not a mathematician. But if you join this and this, that means you are correct. If I am not mistaken, that red pant that I saw is for her. Because the way her nyash was just shaking, very restless nyash. The nyash does not have any steady income. It's just busy, like a busy network. So all this business was towards my Oka's attention. Oka, I have finally discovered the owner of that pant. You can now call me Discovery Channel, Juliana. My madam need to see this. Madam Anafoko, madam, you need to hear this particular one. How? Madam, you cannot be in a river taking your bath. Why soap will now enter your eyes? Madam, if I want to tell you this one and you refuse to listen, Mahabasi, I will report them to Yeast Lover. At least if you enter Yeast Lover here, the whole world will hear you.
Juliana! Juliana!
Jessica.
Get me a glass of water.
Okay. This water that you want to drink, is it a room temperature water, summer water, or even
temperature?
Sir, this room temperature water, is it going to be a bottled water or glass?
Just get me water to drink.
Okay. In a glass.
Yeah, I guess. No, I'm in the sitting room. Alright, just hold on. Let me go and check if she's awake or not.
She is determined to destroy. She is determined to destroy.
Who is there?
It's me.
Come in.
Oh, sorry. Your husband. He wants to speak with you. He said you've not been picking your calls.
Oops, my phone is on silent. But not to worry, I'll call him back. So, come to Mama.
Right. Good night.
Hello? Michael, you...
Everything in this life is not about smartness. Retrieve your ways.
Yes? What is it? Kyria, what is it? Why are you bugging me? Am I missing? No, tell me, am I a missing person? Why are you disturbing my life? Okay, Mama is gone, and so what? I should be jumping up and down because she's gone? What is your problem? Listen, I came to my friend's house to have peace.
Babe, a married woman should not leave her husband's house to another man's house, even when the wife is not around. It's not nice now. Babe. All I'm saying is you come back. I want you to come back, please. We'll iron things out, okay? Please, come back. Babe.
Allow me enjoy my peace. In peace. Don't call this line again.
Babe. Hello? She called the call. What's going on? Babe.
That is the only solution.
Prophet, you don't understand. I said she appeared in real. This was not a dream. She appeared in real life. Please, what am I going to do now? Give me something else.
She means no harm to you. She's only angry and jealous. You know what to do, and that you must do.
Prophet, I know you have said this before, but what I'm saying is that you need to give me something. At least something to protect myself, something to chase the spirit away. Please, this is not an ordinary ghost anymore. It's beginning to weigh me down. Please help me.
She will not harm you. Just go and dig out a body from the ground. And that's peace you will have.
She will not harm me.
Never.
You needed to see how she was looking at me when she appeared. She almost strangled my fiancé. Maybe this particular one is not a friendly ghost at all. Please give me something to protect myself.
That is the only way you will have peace. You must do that which is right. And with that, you will be happy for the rest of your life.
She is determined to destroy.
Hey! Why are you doing this to me now? Was I the one that asked you to take those pills? No, you took them by yourself. Why are you frustrating me? Leave me alone now, please.
I love you, Jojo.
No, you don't love me. If you love me, you would not be frustrating me. If you love me, you would obey me. You would stop disturbing me. Look, I am going to dig up your corpse and take to your people. And then I will explain to them everything that happened years back. Yes, that's what I'm going to do.
But if you do that, I won't be able to see your face again. Jojo, I promise I will not hurt you. I will not hurt her. No, but let me just be seeing your face. Please, Jojo.
No, the living and the dead have nothing in common. I will do exactly what I was asked to do.
Please don't, Jojo.
I will.
Please.
Stop begging me, I will do it.
Please.
Look, you need to rest in peace. You need to stop frustrating me. You need to stop appearing and disappearing every time.
Please, Jojo, please. Please, I'm begging you, please.
No, I will dig up your corpse and take your remaining to your people. That's what I'm going to do. Hey! Hey!
Kirian, you have to give her some time. I think she's trying to be cool with everything.
The doctor said that we are okay, we are fine. I do not know the reason for the delay.
Listen, man. We'll have to wait for the God's time. God's time is simply the best. That is why you have to endure all of this and understand that she values her happiness. Yeah.
Is that the reason she chose to live in your house even when your wife is not there?
Kieran, be patient with your wife. Alright? All I'm assuring you is that my wife and I will not relent in making sure that everything goes well. Trust me, everything will be fine. She will return to you.
It's okay. It's okay, bro. Thank you. So when is your family coming back?
Next week, I guess.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Congratulations, bro.
Thanks, man.
Congratulations. Your wife is pregnant.
Yeah.
Nice one. You're a sharpshooter.
You don't need that.
Shooter. You can see everywhere.
No time.
Nice one.
You are next in line.
Amen.
Your mother told me a lot about you. And since then, I've been observing.
I hope you're not following boys around.
Mama, no. I'm not following any boy.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama, I'm sure.
They say once beaten, twice shy. I am going to take you to Ijeoma Health Center to confirm if you are, fit for my son or not. I pray the result comes out well.
Mama, I don't have any disease or sickness. I keep myself clean.
Don't worry yourself. Let me do what is on my mind first. Go and check what is on the file. Mechanic emenu na amara onye bụ onye ara.
I have been seeing Teresa's daughter here lately. What is her mission here?
Nothing.
Say nothing.
Yes. Nothing. Yes.
I hope you are not trying to match her with my son. Because if you do, anyway, I know what you can do.
Look at what you're saying. Can't you continue to eat what you're eating? You talk too much.
It's okay.
See, Nai, I will be going to the city a day after tomorrow.
To do what?
To give helps to my daughter-in-law.
What kind of help?
Stop asking me this question. Stop it. Ajosinam. Stop asking me. Come inside and eat good food. I am done cooking. Noreba nata bread. Come inside.
Be very careful. I hope you are not going there to disturb my son. You heard me clear.
Oh, yes. There, yeah, right there.
Sorry. How did you come about this pain on your ankle?
Well, I was just coming out from the bathroom and I slipped.
Okay, sorry. You'll be fine. Are you okay?
Listen, Michael. Michael, I want you. Michael, I love you. I have the strong feelings for you. You're a very strong, fertile man, and...
This is crazy!
Yes, baby.
Stop!
It is crazy. I like crazy things, and I want to do crazy things with you, baby.
Stop! For goodness sake, you're my best friend's wife! This is disgusting!
Listen, we're going to take this secret to our graves. It's just between both of us. Nobody will know. They will not know. Your wife will not know. My husband will not know. Let's just do this.
No! Listen, I love my wife and I love her so much. Her body is all I want, not yours or anyone else. Alright? Don't try this again.
Calm down. Her body is all I want and no one else. Calm down, Maybe man you be. Eh? You eat the goosey from morning to night. January to December. Week to week. Guy, change now. Eat ora. Ora with assorted meat. Assorted cow head. My dear, if you eat this ora, you go like calm. And like I said before, it's just between me and you. Nobody else will know.
I don't want you. Alright? I love my wife. I can't do this with you.
Okay, just once. After today, I will not disturb you again.
It will never happen.
Just once.
I said it.
Just once,
Stop
baby.
it.
Just once.
Stop!
Just once.
Oh my God! Stop! You want to wet me? Stop!
Come on, baby.
Hey, Abasimimbo. Yo, no, wait. It's like my eyes have seen what my ears have not saw. Eh? Even this one want to knock my oka. Juliana, you have seen this one. Oh, you have seen this one. Even this one, my madam best friend of all people. No, let's just assume that okay, Oka is a humanizer, not a manizer. He carry women. If madam friend want to come and collect, no, now, women, fear women. Oh, if I say go to woman, so you have to pick up with that in them. Amiauka. How? Madam, that is why you see me as I did this. I don't have anything friend, talk less of best friend, because people are very wicked. Your own friend, my time, my one, we eat together, we dine together. It's the person that want to destroy. Juliana, your madam is nice to you. I need to tell my madam about this. That her best friend want to destroy her one sweet home. Let her come back. Sit up, madam. Madam, sit up, madam. Madam, I said sit up.
Look, the fact that I don't want to hurt you doesn't make me a fool, Jojo.
What do you want?
Don't go close to my grave.
The first time, you told me to go and take your corpse to your sister. Yes, you said it. And now I'm about to do that. And you are telling me otherwise. What is it now? Why are you confusing me?
I am not confusing you, Jojo. Don't you get? They will give me a befitting burial and I will not be able to see your face again.
Sandra, you are just being jealous. You are purely jealous and that is why you don't want to rest in peace.
Yes, I am. And if you go close to my grave or you continue to make love to her, I'll be forced to change my mind.
Sandra, look. You have to stop this. You have to stop this nonsense and face reality, please.
Babe.
Oh. Hi, babe.
I was hearing your voice from outside. Who are you talking to?
Oh, I was on phone with my secretary. That lady is pissing me off.
Why don't you tell her you're talking to me, Jojo? I feel like killing her right now.
Your secretary?
No. Sorry. Yes, my secretary. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
I'll be in the sitting room waiting, okay?
Alright, I'll join you soon.
Just look at her. She's in love with my man. I just feel like killing her right now, Jojo.
This is the very last time that I will talk to you. You are beginning to make me go insane. You are beginning to make me go mad.
Then if you dare go close to my grave or continue to make love to her, I will kill her.
You will do no such thing.
Babe.
Yes, babe.
Please hurry up, we're late.
Okay, let me just put on something real quick.
Please hurry up, Joe.
Alright.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mama. See, my son likes fresh juice very well. Go this way. By your left, you will see the kitchen. Open the fridge and bring out the keg. Bring it here. Okay, Mama. Hi. Where is that sleeping tablet we bought on our way? Oh, I have it here. Mm-hmm. Grind it very well. Make it look like powder. We will pour it here. Huh? Make sure you grind it very well.
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay.
Mama, but they sleep in the same room. How are we going to achieve this? How is it possible?
Don't worry about it. I know how to handle that, okay? Can't mother and son have discussion? This night he will come into my room. And we will discuss about so many things. I will serve him this juice. After I must have served him the juice, he will sleep off. You will now come.
Hey, Mama, you're a master planner. Okay, let me go and
Be careful what you do. Life is short. Be careful what you do. Don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. Be careful what you do. Life is short.
I'm sorry for what happened earlier today. You see, I didn't know what came over me.
It's alright.
Listen, I'm truly, truly sorry. Please.
I understand. It's okay.
I'm truly sorry.
It's fine.
Thank you. Let me adjust your clothes.
Be careful what you do. Life is short. Be careful what you do. Don't be carried away. Don't be carried away.
Thank you.
Life is short. This life is short. Don't be carried away. No one knows tomorrow. Don't be carried away. Be careful what you do. Careful what you do. Life is short. Truly, good friends is hard to find. After a road, oh, difficult to live them. And when you find them around, truly, great friends is hard to find. My name is Nebugwe. Too much of everything is bad. My name is Nebugwe. If I'm not worried, and you never bug on a joking.
Babe, it hasn't gotten to this. Okay. I am sorry. Please. I do not want us to separate. I love you. I love you and you know it. I'm sorry, baby. I just want us to go home. I want to take you home.
Fine. But I'll come home when I'm ready.
Babe, sorry. Hello, Mama.
Hello now. How are you? I'm fine. I'm in your house, so yes, I came few minutes ago. How is work going? What? That I should tell you before coming to your house, my own son's house. Mban, I know the road to your house. Do you realize I'm your mother? So you mean I should tell you that I must tell you before coming? Have you packed out of that house or are you planning to pack out? No, I know the road and I've come. I'm here. I'm waiting. Eh? Is it me you are telling about courtesy? Anyway, when you come back, don't worry, just take care of yourself, okay? When you come back, we will talk. I'm in your house here.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I will get back to you soon. Okay.
Mama is in the house.
Yes.
Then why are you here? Why are you disturbing me? Allow me to stay here and have my peace.
Babe. Babe, this is not right. You're my woman. You're my wife. You cannot stay in my friend's house for long. I'm not comfortable with that. Okay? Yes. Let's go home, please. Okay, I promise you one thing. I will protect you from my mother.
Protector of the universe.
Babe, stop this now. I love you. I want us
Please, can you stop? Can you just go? No, you don't even need to go. You can stay here as long as you want. After it's your friend's house. Enjoy yourself.
Babe. Babe. Babe.
Okay? You have to be strong and face your fears. Everything will be alright real soon.
Strength for who and for what? I just want to kill myself. No, I'm going to kill myself.
You won't die. You can't kill yourself. This is not the end of the world. You have to feast your eyes on God. Put everything on God.